Alright, lesson is going to be on Errant Dog by Ben Folds. He has not come out with a songbook yet, so this is what I got on my own. The main chord is going to be a G7. This is what the riff is going to sound like once you've got everything down. Like that. The left hand plays a G the entire time. You can play octaves to give it a fuller sound. The right hand plays B, C, D, F to give the 7th chord of a G. I'm adding the lower F, but it's B, C, D, F. Then a little thing here. E, F, E, D, C, B, C, D, F. So slow down, it's the hardest part about this riff is just putting the hands together. If you just want to not play an octave and just play that G, just go. Whole thing again sounds like. You don't have to use sustain or anything. It's pretty easy. And that's it. Thank you.